Say hello to the all-new Vitamix 780. With a touchscreen control panel that resists scratches and cracks and a sleek modern design, the 780 is your perfect kitchen companion. Choose from 5 easy program settings, as well as variable speed and pulse features to make delicious smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. The 780 comes with a low-profile 64-ounce container that will hold plenty of the fresh, healthy blends you love and fits easily below most cabinets. To ensure durability for years to come, the 780 features a metal drive system, stainless steel blades, and a 7-year full warranty. The Vitamix 780, the next evolution in high-performance blending.
This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and the 18-ounce cup, ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food.
Hi, my name is Derek Howes, the Protein Chef, and I am excited to introduce you to the Ninja NutriBlender Pro. This addition to the Ninja family makes blending easier than ever. The Ninja NutriBlender Pro is sleek, compact, and comes equipped with single-serve cups, making it perfect for my busy lifestyle. I can make my favorite smoothie and conveniently take it with me wherever I go. This blender comes with a super powerful 1000-watt motor base, which is extremely compact and fits great on my countertop. The single-serve cup with Pro Extractor Blade assembly is great for creating smooth blended drinks like smoothies, extractions, and frozen drinks like pina coladas. It can crush through ice, liquefy and extract fruits, and easily powers through other tough ingredients like leafy greens and broccoli. My favorite features of the Ninja NutriBlender Pro are the different blending options. Here you can choose from 2 Auto IQ programs or manual blend. Auto IQ is a patented Ninja technology that takes the guesswork out of blending. To use the Auto IQ technology, simply select one of the 2 programs included, either Smoothie or Crush. The machine will then automatically control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing patterns to ensure you get the perfect result every time. The Smoothie Auto IQ program is perfect if you're looking to make a breakfast smoothie but don't have a lot of time. The Crush feature is great for ice-based recipes like frozen drinks and slushies. Look how quickly the blades crush down the ice. In addition to Auto IQ, the Ninja NutriBlender Pro also includes 2 manual programs, Use the Start-Stop button to run the blender manually on an even speed, and use Pulse if you want more control over what you're blending. If you don't know where to start, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your Ninja NutriBlender Pro. There are so many tasty treats, you've got to give it a read. Today, I'm in the mood for one of my favorite Ninja recipes, the berry almond smoothie. To get started, grab your Ninja cup and prep your ingredients. I have a small ripe banana, which I cut into pieces so it can be easily processed. A quick tip, start loading your cup with fruits and leafy greens, then add liquids, followed by any nut butters, and then finish off with ice or other frozen ingredients. Next, add 1 1/4 cups of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 1/4 cups of frozen mixed berries. Then, screw on the blade assembly tightly by twisting it clockwise. Next, lower the cup onto the base, then twist it clockwise to lock it into place. You will hear a click when the cup is successfully installed. Once installed, the control panel lights will illuminate. For this recipe, I'm going to use the Smoothie Auto IQ program. All I need to do is press the smoothie button and the blender does the work for me. Once complete, twist the cup counterclockwise to remove it from the base. Ready to hit the road? Twist on the spout lid to take it with you anywhere. It's that easy.
Tight on counter space but want multifunctionality? The Cuisinart Kitchen Central is a compact unit that does the job of a food processor, juice extractor, and blender. Change attachments by placing them on the base and turning the dial to the desired function. As an 8-cup food processor, you can mix, chop, puree, shred, and slice with ease. The versatile blade is great for mixing and chopping, and acts as a dough blade to make homemade pizza dough in minutes. The fine and medium reversible shredding and slicing discs make prep tasks effortless, as the Kitchen Central does all the work. Create delicious sauces, dips, and breads for every occasion. The 40-ounce blender jar covers the full range of blending tasks, from creamy smoothies to delicious pureed soups and even desserts. If you want to incorporate additional ingredients without interrupting the process, just lift the pour lid insert. With the juice extractor, effortlessly turn fruits and vegetables into delicious and healthful juices. Fresh fruits and vegetables retain 95% of their nutrients during juicing for easy absorption and digestion. The juice bowl has a drip-free start and stop pour spout, which lets you dispense directly into a glass or container for ease and convenience. The 0.7-liter pulp tank will automatically capture strained pulp, which ensures the extracted juice is fresh, delicious, and ready to drink. From breakfast to dessert, all your meals are covered. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless and easy cleanup. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Kitchen Central.